Hi, welcome to the Barco booth at ISE Barcelona 2024. I'm Oliver, leading ClickShare product management, and we're very excited this week to be launching the ClickShare bar. We actually have two versions of that ClickShare bar, a video bar for the small and medium meeting rooms. We have the ClickShare bar Pro with all bells and whistles, and the ClickShare bar Core, which is just what you need to do hybrid meetings in any meeting room. ClickShare bar, that means a ClickShare bar conference system to which we've added audio and video. Great audio and video at that. The 4K camera actually captures 120 degrees field of view, horizontal, so that means that anyone sitting close to that display in that small meeting room also get captured. Of course, it has the necessary AI to do group framing, composition, to make sure everyone is captured in its best way possible. On the audio side, we have two speakers, and soon we'll be having stereo on that as well, making sure that audio and the sound of that bar is really clear and remote participants are captured in the best way possible. And lastly, of course, a microphone array that captures any conversation in the meeting room so that remote participants again hear you clearly. All of this in a package that is really sustainable. It will be carbon neutral certified soon, and is the easiest system to install, wireless conferencing system to install on the market. It literally takes 2 screws, 2 cables, and you're up and running. Maintaining it is a breeze. Updating through our central XMS cloud solution is as simple as you can imagine. If you want to find out more about our ClickShare conference bar, surf to www.barco.com or visit us at the booth.